In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import anything into Zoho CRM. We're going to walk through the process using a single file, like a CSV or Excel file, and bring that data into a specific module, such as leads or contacts. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to click, what the options mean, and how to avoid common mistakes, so your data lands in the right place the first time. First, open your Zoho CRM account and decide which module you want to import data into. This could be leads, contacts, accounts, or any other standard or custom module you use. Click on that module so you're looking at its list view, where all the records are normally displayed. At the top right of this module view, look for the Import option. Click Import, then choose the option that says Import Records. The wording might slightly change depending on the module, but you're looking for the main import action for that module's records. Zoho will now ask you to upload your file. Click Browse, then select your prepared CSV or XLSX file from your computer. Before you upload, it's a good idea to quickly double-check that your file has clear column headers, like first name, last name, email, or company, and that there are no completely empty rows at the top. Once you've chosen the file, confirm the upload and click Next. On the next screen, Zoho will ask what you want to do with this data. You'll see options like Add as New, Update Existing, or both. Choose Add as New if you're only creating brand new records and you're sure they don't already exist in your CRM. Choose Update Existing if your file contains records that already exist and you're only trying to refresh or correct their details. Select both if your file contains a mix of new records and updates to existing ones. When you've picked the option that best fits your situation, click Next. Now comes the mapping step. This is where you tell Zoho which column from your file should go into which field in the CRM. You'll see your file's column names on one side and a drop-down of CRM fields on the other. Go through each important column and match it carefully. For example, map your email column to the email field in the CRM, phone to phone, and so on. If there are columns you don't need, you can leave them unmapped. Once you've reviewed all your mappings and you're confident everything lines up correctly, click Next, then click Finish to start the import. Zoho will process the file, and you'll typically see a confirmation once it's done, often with a summary of how many records were added or updated. That's all there is to importing data into a specific module in Zoho CRM using a single file.